In part 4 of automating your job, I'm going to look at personas. Individual people in the environment have different tasks and responsibilities. A project manager might have skills and tools, a manager might have skills and tools, a developer might have skills and tools, and so forth. To this end, we structure our two skills and tools into personas. We can't load all skills and all tools into a given context. This would pollute the context with too many things up front, resulting in a waste of tokens and possibly the agent doing the wrong outcome. So we try to manage the context by not polluting it with too much. So therefore, when we start a session, we should probably start it with a minimized session. And we do this by grouping skills and tools into personas. These personas have given tasks and a prompt to get them going. Our fast MCP server supports hot loading or dynamically loading skills at runtime. So when we start a chat with, say, an admin here, it will load up the skills, sorry, the tools available for that context. We could take a look at the YAML.admin here, and we can see some of the tools that it has available to us and some of the skills that it has available to it. It also has a system prompt saying you are an administrative assistant in helping with non-coding tasks, and it describes some actions there. So let's start a chat here with the administrator. So there you are, it's going to run persona load, which is an MCP call, and it's going to load the admin persona. So now that the admin persona is loaded, we can see that we have access to expenses, calendar scheduling, team communication style, and project management. So as a test here, let's get a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting with Ben Thomason uh, at the earliest convenience. Convenience. So we know that the admin has access to my calendar as well as some other tools. So there we are. It's found a skill called schedule meeting, and it's going to run that. So now if we go to the skills viewer, we now see that the skill schedule meeting is running. We got event-based feedback. It actually failed to select a time for some reason. It's asking me what day do I want to run. Just do it on Monday there at 9 o'clock. That's fine. And I think it's going to run the skill again. It is. And we can see they're updating. And now I got a meeting scheduled with Ben for next Monday at 4:30 Irish time. So this idea of personas allows us to control the context of skills and tools associated with a given chat. We can also call list skills, I believe. We can call list underscore tools. Here we are. Jira skills, code skills. Sorry, that's listing all skills, I believe now, rather than just the ones for this persona. That's fine. We'll leave it go anyhow. Call list tools. So list tools is actually an MCP call, so it's actually going to look at all the tools available to it in this session. It's got a good few in there, 77 tools. Note that we have 761, so this is showing off the model context protocol dynamic loading of tools at runtime.